Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-23, the boiler superheater off-take bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-23, the boiler superheater off-take bush. That's a mouthful and a half. So let's open up template MMGS. Okay, let's go top plane, sketch. I'm going to do, actually might do one circle, two circles first. 1, 2, sketch. Okay, the outside one of this one is 25, and the inside one is 19. And that's going to be a height of 11. So feature extrude 11. I was going to blind this one. It doesn't really matter. This is going to be brass, I believe. Yep, brass. Oh, that's copper. We got brass. Thank you. There we go. Save that one. Okay, so now on top of this one, we want normal sketch. So on 2 more circles. Do one there, so it clicks in that one, same size, and then whoop, the outside one is 44. 44. There we go. And that's going to be a thickness of 8. 8. And done. Now I could have done that side piece and drill the hole through, but you know, extrude the hole through, but I wanted to do it that way. Now we've got 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go to normal, sketch. I want to go to circle. That's going to be construction. And that's going to be 32. So, oops, sorry. Go back into sketch. Smart dimension I meant to do, sorry. And that's going to be C2. Now we've got a hole 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 1 hole there. That's going to be M5. Where are we? Smart dimension. That's going to be 5 mil. Then we're going to do a circular pattern. Click down there, click there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and done. Extrude cut, blind, through all, and done. Cannot locate all the features. What? Oh, 5. Oh, I've got 2. No, it should be. Hold on, what have we done here? Ah, sorry, extrude cut. And why is that not? I'll look at that in a minute. Through all. Yeah, I don't extrude boss, it's extrude cut. Okay. Let's open that back up. Let's go back to sketch. Something wasn't finalized. Ah. 1. No, hold on. That should be fine. Oh, yeah, okay. That's locked in. And they just show blue, but it's the exact copy of that one. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So that is, they're done. Now, let's see if we can get this thread working. So I looked at some stuff the other day. So thread location, start there. Thread finish, start there. End. What? Thank you. Ah. Clear that one. Thank you. Do that one again. I think I've changed it. Yeah, edge 1. Go there. Edge 2. Now we want to extrude thread, which is fine. Now if we click OK, see how it's sticking out? But it's not all the way through there. That's actually not fine, but see it's sticking out? We don't want that sticking out. So let's go thread. Let's see if I can get this right now. Down here, trim with end face. Now, did I get that right? There you go. See, it's now trimmed with end face, so it's not going past there. It's going there beautifully. That one's not bad, but let's see if we can fix that up so it goes all the way through. Oh, that's one. Thank you. Trim with start face. But if we go to offset, nope. Okay. There's some way I think I can bring that the other way too, but that's fine. Actually, I'm happy with that, so I'm not too worried about that because it's not digging in, it's still thread through, so that is fine. See, it's there, so okay. So we're learning, but we've got the other holes. Oh, I think I can do one at a time, can't I? Okay, that's fine. Let's try this again. Good practice, good practice. So, we've got bottom one, top one, trim with face. Okay. Oh, 3 cut. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. There's no thread inside that one, but just inside these. So let's go again. Thread. So there might be a way to do all these holes at once, but at the moment I'm just happy that we're getting the thread looking right. Let's see. Through cut. Trim with end face. And done. Look at that. Beautiful. Hole wizard, thread. Do that one. Yep, got it. Where are we? Actually, let's try something. Let's do that one. Do this one. Oh, what's that selected for? Oh, I did something wrong. Let me just cancel that. Yeah, I clicked something without realising it. So we've got first one there. Second one, there we go. I'll change something that. I might click something down here. Extrude, thread, trim with face. We've got up here offset. Let's see what happens here. Ah, hold on. Let's turn that one off. Oh, I see it's going out there. Okay. Which I'm trimming that, so. Yeah, see it disappear? It's gone there. Excellent. Okay, no, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. So, okay. And we got our thread done on them. Beautiful. We are learning. Took me a few episodes to get that one right, but got there. And there's some other things we can do too, so which I will look at later. But right now, there's that part done. That's part 3-23, the boiler superheater off-take bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed that episode, if you want to subscribe, leave comments, appreciate it. Thank you so much, and welcome everyone that's been supporting my channel. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.